Today I wanted to show you some easy Easter DIYs. I'm going to call these modern Easter DIYs because they are just simple colors. So first I have this wreath form from the Dollar Tree and some twine from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to wrap these ears with the twine. I'm going to go all the way around the ears and then the bottom part of the ears. Once that was done, I just tied it off. You can hot glue it if you want. And then I'm starting up another piece of twine here, and I tied that off, and I'm just going to wrap it around. Again, you can hot glue this. You can do some Mod Podge on this with the water to make sure it stays nice and stiff, but it was fine the way it was. And I just wrapped it around randomly. And then once I was done, I went back down towards the bottom, wrapping it, and just tied that in a knot and then cut that. So this doesn't have to be pretty and perfect. It's just real easy and real simple for this. Then once I was done with that, I'm just going to do the bubble ribbon for the wreath right here. You can do this in a bunch of different ways. I've done other wreaths before. You can use any of those techniques for this, but I just did this. And this, by the way, is just a yarn, not a yarn, a ribbon that I had left over. So you can use any kind of ribbon. You can get ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You can get ribbon from Michael's, from Hobby Lobby, but you'll just make a little bubble like a hoop and then secure it to the reform. So you'll pick one of the metal pieces there. So there's like 3 different ones on the ring there. You'll pick one. I did it randomly. I didn't do them all on the same one because I didn't have a lot of ribbon left, and I wanted to use the same piece of ribbon all the way around. I didn't want to add anything extra, so I just did them randomly, spacing them out. And then, because when you pull the bubble, it'll fill it in. But that's what I used. I got that on clearance after the holidays from Michael's. And then just to end it off, I just took the last piece, put it together, and attached it to the reform. Real easy, real simple. And then you're just going to come in and you're going to cut the little tails of all of the zip ties. And then I decided to add some faux florals from Dollar Tree, the little baby breaths, and you can hot glue those in once you figure out the placement. You can add more greenery, you can add just whatever you want, but this is how it came out. I hope it gave you some inspiration to do a cute, simple wreath for Easter. You can do this for spring. It is just so easy and it's so fun, and it can go with your home decor